In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a component in Webflow. Open the Webflow website. Then go into your account and click the project you want to work on. That opens the project inside the designer. Give the canvas a moment to load fully so all panels and elements are visible before you start making changes. Once the designer is ready, go to the left sidebar and click the Components icon. This opens the Components panel. In this panel, look under In this site and find the component you want to remove. Check the description shown under the component name, because that tells you how many instances of that component currently exist on the site. In this walkthrough, it should read 3 instances. After you confirm that count, click the Components icon again to close the panel. Now move to the left sidebar and click the Navigator icon, the one that looks like 3 horizontal lines. With the Navigator available, go to the canvas and find the first card instance. Right-click that first card instance. In the menu that appears, click Unlink Instance. This is the reversible method, because it only disconnects that one selected item from the component system instead of deleting the component itself. As soon as the Unlink action is complete, confirm the change on screen. The selected element's bounding box turns blue, which shows it is now a regular element. In the Navigator on the left, that same item is no longer listed as a component instance. Instead, it appears as a normal structure such as a div block and text. That tells you the first instance has been successfully unlinked. Next, open the Components panel again from the left sidebar. Go back to the same component under In this site and check the count again. It should now read 2 instead of 3. This confirms that one linked instance has been removed from the component system, while the component itself still exists in the library. At this stage, the component has not been deleted. Only one instance was unlinked. If this was all you wanted to do, this is where the reversible method ends. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now continue with the permanent method. Close the Components panel so you can work on the remaining linked instances. Webflow only lets you delete a component when it has 0 linked instances, so the next part is clearing the last 2 linked copies from the canvas. In the Navigator pane, locate the second card instance. Click that second card instance on the canvas so it is selected, then press Delete on your keyboard. That removes one of the 2 remaining linked instances. Then click the third card instance, which is the last remaining linked instance, and press Delete again. After that action, there should be no linked instances of this component left on the canvas. Open the Components panel one more time from the left sidebar. Find the same component in the list under In this site and look at the instance count beside it. It should now read 0. This is the condition Webflow requires before it will allow the component itself to be deleted from the library. Stay in the Components panel and move your pointer over the row for that component. Hover directly over the component in the list. On the right side of that row, a small icon or menu becomes visible. You can either right-click the component name itself or click the More Options icon on that row. In the menu that appears, click Delete. Webflow now shows a confirmation modal explaining that the component will be permanently removed. In that modal, click Delete to confirm the action. This completes the permanent removal of the component from the library. Now verify the result inside the Components panel. Under In this site, the component should no longer appear in the list. That confirms it has been fully removed from the project's component library. Also confirm the result on the canvas. The 2 linked card instances you deleted are gone. The one you unlinked earlier is still there, but it survives only as a plain div block with a blue outline, not as a component instance. That means the canvas no longer contains any card instances, and the Components panel no longer lists the card component under In this site. At this point, the change is complete. Saving or publishing the site would deploy these updates.